How can ignore some wrong trade? Look at the chart and its candle direction, which is uptrend. CCI indicator is showing low direction, which is reverse as per logic. Middle line with middle hook attached, and it's showing the tradable area. Is it good for trade, or the rules and tricks is accurate? Now look at the chart first. It's still up moving. You think that the stop loss was taken. But, wait. No. It's wrong judgment as per divergence rules. If CCI middle hook below the zero line on negative divergence, then this is not for trading at all. You have to avoid the trade strictly. In this chart it's showing that the stock price is going up move without any lower mark. Same example happen on ICICI Bank chart. Look at the chart carefully. CCI positive divergence happened, but middle hook above zero line. So, it's fail for divergence rules. No trade. If you look at the ZEEL chart, then you can see the actual rules for divergence trade. CCI positive direction when candle pattern on negative trend. Middle hook is under the zero line. And it's blast. Another one is info edge. CCI negative direction when candle pattern on positive trend. Middle hook is above the zero line. And it's gone. If you follow the rules properly, then you can earn a lot and avoid some bad trading. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel and share it to your nearest one. Please like and share the video and subscribe the channel for more live tricks and updates.